So the accounting voucher is where you have your transactions. Now, in the normal routine of a business, when a business wants to purchase, you have what? A purchase order. You have to issue a purchase order. Then the supplier will send what? The supplier will send an invoice. That invoice is a purchase invoice to you. Now, before you are making the payment. So, but we don't have purchase order here. I have to enable purchase order. I come to features F11 and I take F2 inventory feature. And I come down, I enable these two to yes. Okay, these two features. Enable purchase order processing, enable sales order processing to yes, because I will use sales order also subsequently. So after that, I can, if these things are no, then you cannot see them. So after that, I can take Control A to save it. Then they are here, order vouchers. That is Control F2. This is sales order, but I want the purchase order because I want to first of all buy before selling. So I put the name of my supplier that I want to purchase the goods from. So maybe I have my supplier, maybe Madina or Carrefour, any of them. I can select, I put. Now I put the location, address and everything. 90 days I give order reference. In terms of delivery, FOB free on board. Dispatch through, maybe I am purchasing this item from maybe India, and it will pass, the item will pass through any country, and then I have to put a country there, and I put my destination UAE. Right? So my purchase order number 1. Now my purchase ledger. My purchase ledger is like, I create a purchase ledger. Each time you want to create a purchase ledger, under that you have to put under purchase account. So because I'm recording for VAT purpose, I put the transaction and I'm buying from UAE, domestic, taxable, purchase. Under purchase account. This is where you enable the inventory values are affected to yes. Now, not all the time you have nature of transaction. If you don't have this, I'll show you in yours also. If you don't have this, you can come here and you enable from here to yes. This nature of transaction determines the kind of transaction you are recording. Are you buying from UAE? It will be domestic, either taxable, exempted, or zero rated. If you're buying from outside UAE, maybe from another GCC country, you put intra GCC, either taxable, exempted, or zero rated. Similar if you are importing goods from another country outside GCC, maybe from India, China, you put import. So since I'm buying from UAE, so I'll take domestic, taxable, purchase, applicable from January, that date, 5%, goods, and then I save. Okay, now I can start putting my items. It's already created. But in case it's not created, you can take the shortcut key to create, Alt plus C, to create it from here. But we already had, so I will just include it now. Del and how many quantity do I want to purchase? Maybe 100. It's giving me my purchase cost because when I was creating, I had what a standard cost as 1,000. But if I'm purchasing at 1,500 or 900 or any of the value or the same value, I can maintain unit of measurement numbers. Okay. Then now, not all the time this will come, but for your VAT purpose, you need it to display so that your VAT form TRN VAT 201 will be prepared. So in case it doesn't come, you have to F12 here. You have to set allocation of tax details for VAT to yes. Immediately you set that, only this first nature of transaction will come. This is taken from the VAT ledger you created here under the purchase account. So immediately only this one comes, you have to take another F12 again and enable this other two, taxable value and tax rate to yes. So I'll put here domestic taxable purchase. This helps my transaction to go to my VAT fund. So that is why I'm putting that at 100,000. Okay. If I want to add as many items, I can still add. But if I want to use this only one item, I just end the list. Now I will apply VAT on the invoice. And I don't have what? A VAT ledger. I have to create using a shortcut key. Alt plus C. VAT on purchase is called input VAT. Okay. I create the ledger. The group 2 is what? Duties and taxes. Okay. Keep orders. I put my 5% and my VAT on both goods and services. And you see that it's calculated automatically. There I can print and I see how it looks like. I take my Alt Z to zoom. Okay.